Have you ever come across a video where a guy claims to make a speaker out of cardboard? Out of cardboard. Well, if you haven't, then here is an example of what they look and sound like. And in this video, you're going to be finding out if they are real or a scam. Now, personally, I think it's a scam because I've tried making one myself in the past and it never worked. But I'm just going to try doing it the same way they did and see if my intuitions were right or perhaps I'm wrong. Let's see. I'm using a smaller magnet because I don't have the exact size they used and I'm hoping it won't turn out to be a problem. I don't know the exact length or size of wire I'm supposed to use, but I think this should be enough. This piece of plastic is also the same size as this stuff and it's also going to come in handy. I also need these two pieces of wire and some popsicle sticks. I tried being professional, but I couldn't count how many times I wrapped the coil and I had to use super glue to hold it because it kept going out. So now, I just have to check if it fits. Yes, it does. They actually use cardboard to make their frames, but since I don't have that much, I'm going to use something more sturdy. I really don't know what I'm doing. The only thing I know is that I'm following instructions and I'm hoping it works. So in the videos I watched, the wires were actually marked red and black, but I don't think it matters much. And if it does, then I'm just going to flip it. Guys, it actually made a sound. Now we just need to find out if you can play songs. I was very certain it wasn't going to work, but yet it did. And it might not be the loudest speaker, but it was actually good. And I had to make a second one just to be sure it wasn't lock, and it was much louder.